It's Wednesday morning, so coming this Saturday is when we start putting Hampton Court together, actually at Hampton Court. So we set up our stand to do with what we're doing. We showed you in the preview video earlier how far we got. We've got a lot further now. So we've got a nice time path that's running through over towards the chili area. The chili area will be gravelled with lots of nice chilies, all of them fruiting now on. Then we have this mixed planted area here, and down to an area that we haven't done for quite a while, a slated sempervivum, a house leek area there, which used to be the mainstay of many of our stands, but we haven't done that for quite some time. We've got a chili hedge running through there as well, with a nice little opening which will lead again to the sort of patio gravel area where the chilies are going. And around the other side we've done the mix planted of herbs. Really happy how the colours have gone together. We started putting more bulk plants in there, so that the basil is coming up to flower, which I think works really well with this light coloured geranium and the yellow of the achillea, the yarrow at the back there. And as I'm putting this together, the amount of butterflies and moths and bees that have been around this area has been amazing. As well as more scented geraniums, the variegated fish mint, this sort of stuff. I'm really happy with how it's working together, and how quite a lot of the stuff is just coming up to flower. So with the heat of a marquee at Hampton Court, there's a potential we're going to have a nice lot of flower, which is good. It's really come together nicely. Really happy with it. So if you are going to Hampton Court, obviously come and say hello. It's our last show of the year. So hopefully we do well at it. I'm sure we will. It's one of our favourite shows. It's arguably our local show, even though it should only take about an hour to get there. It takes normally about 3 hours of traffic. We go back and forwards every day. But yeah, it's our local show. We really enjoy it. So if you're going along, obviously have a nice time and come and say hello.